Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to bypass iCloud activation lock without jailbreak and Apple ID as well. Sometimes multiple password we are not remembering and one of the password we are forgetting. For example, iCloud password you are forgetting in your iPhone. How we can remove this password and access iCloud services using Tenorshare are introducing 4uKey software. Using this software, you can very easily bypass iCloud password, even iPhone Face ID as well. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Now let's start on my Mac screen. Just simply open any types of browser and put it this URL in this browser. I already added this URL in video description. You click and come to the here. How many features we are receiving here? Tenorshare 4uKey, one-click password unlocker for iPhone and iPad as well. Unlock iPhone passcode, iCloud locker remover, activation lock without previous owner and without jailbreaking. We are discussing today this point. Look at this here, Apple ID unlock, MDM bypass, turn off find my iPhone very easily, screen time, passcode bypass, find store password as well. Just simply click here, free download. Prices related feature is which option you suitable, accordingly you should purchase. My personal recommendation, lifetime license is one of the best. So software is downloaded, just simply open here, click twice and just simply drag and drop here. I already installed the software, so I just simply say stop. Using this process, you can very easily install the software. Afterward, I just simply enter here my app store and type here 4. So software is here, Tenorshare 4uKey. I click here. So this is the framework of the software. First option come here like unlock iOS screen. If you want to remove all types of password like a 4-digit and 6-digit iTouch Face ID, using this process you can very easily remove this one. Today we target remove iCloud activation lock. If this is the software, afterward you need to click here remove iCloud activation, entering recovery mode here. After connecting, the framework look like this. Here you can see your iPhone and you just follow this process. How exactly do start this one? First of all, you need to click volume down button and power off button and then continuously press in volume down button. And look at this here, the device is currently jailbreak. Please wait patiently, wait couple of seconds to complete this entire process. Jailbreak succeed. To bypass the activation lock, please press your device in DFU mode. So how you do this DFU mode? Look at this here. First of all, you need to start this one. Then you need to press volume down button and power button and continuously volume down button press, removing iCloud activation lock, and such a frame is showing in my current iPhone screen. And magic is happen, iPhone lock to owner. So this email address is showing here previous owner, but you just simply swap this one and normally set up your iPhone as you normally start one, and boom, the password is removed. Using this process, you can very easily remove iCloud activation lock with the help of Tenorshare 4uKey software. If you have any question related on this software, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.